Hi, this is Skylar Rodriguez. It's January 2nd, 2018, and I'll be doing the week 4 experiment of the Methyl Red Vogue experiment. Okay, so let me turn this. So I have all my supplies. Right now I have my pipettes and alcohol. So I'm just going to let those sit. I have my candle, so I'm just going to light that real quick. Okay. Alright. So my candle is lit. This is so that I can flame the tube tips for sterilization. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my E. coli broth vial and I'm going to unscrew that. And I'm going to flame the lip to sterilize it. Okay. Set that to the side, and then I'm going to take my E. coli MRVP broth tube and do the same so that they're both sterilized. Set that to the side. So I'm going to take one of my droppers, get all the alcohol out of it, and I'm just going to shake till it's dry. Alright. Okay, so I don't need the candle here, so I'll put it over here for now until I do the epidermidis. So I'm going to shake that out. So what I'm going to do is take the E. coli and I'm going to take a small amount of that. And then I'm going to take the MRVP broth and I'm going to put in 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest in there that I don't need. And then I'm going to insert the other dropper in bleach. Okay, and I can screw that back on. Oh, but before that, I'm going to take the candle again and sterilize it. Put the cap back on. And same for the MRVP broth tube. Sterilize that. Put the cap back on. And then I'm going to repeat the same for the S. epidermidis. So here's the vial from before, the nutrient broth, and this is the MRVP broth. Okay. Put this aside. Then I'm going to take the other drop pipette, the alcohol, shake it till it's dry, and then I'm going to do the same thing, get a little bit, and then I'm going to place 4 drops into the MRVP. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 4 drops in there. And then I'm going to place that pivot into alcohol. Okay, and then let me flame those tips. The caps back on. Okay, so I'm gonna let those sit for 48 hours and then I'll be back to finish the rest of the experiment. I'm gonna be doing a week 4 experiment with the MRPV broth and test tubes. Okay, so let me get my gloves on. So I have all my supplies here. For some reason, the test tubes didn't fit in the holder, so I'm just using disposable cups for now. So I already soaked these in alcohol and let them dry completely. So I'm just going to set 2 of these test tubes to the side. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've incubated my MRVP broth already, so it has like that kind of foamy look to it. So what I'm going to do is, let me do the E. coli first. Okay, so I'm going to pour half of the E. coli in the, let me get the other one, into one of the, 2 of the test tubes for the E. coli, and then I'll do the same for the S. epidermidis. Okay, it's kind of hard without the test tube holder. Alright, so I'm going to carefully pour half of it into here. Alright, and then I'm going to pour the other half into the other tube. Okay. The screw back on. And then I'm going to make sure that they're equal amounts. So this is the E. coli, so you can see them. They're about equal amounts. I'm going to do the same with the S. epidermidis. So half will go into here. And then the other half will go in here. And then I'm just going to make sure that they're equal amounts. So let me get those. And those are about equal amounts as well. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is get the methyl red reagent, and I'm going to take my scissors and let me get a paper towel. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me get a paper towel to wipe the scissors off. I'm going to do this over a trash can. So I'm going to take the methyl red. Okay. And what I'm going to do is take, I'm going to put 7 drops into one of the E. coli, and then 7 into one of the epidermis. So I'm going to take 7 drops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, it has that red layer. I'm going to set that there. And then I'm going to take one of the S. epidermidis, 7 drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And same with that one. It's rising. So it's a little bit more heavier it looks than the E. coli. I'm going to let that sit there. Alright. And then what I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to get the Barrett's A. Okay, so then I'm going to take the Barrett's reagent, Barrett's A. Let me just cut this part. And now we're going to take the other 2 test tubes, and I'm going to drop in 12 of these into each one. So 1, 2. Okay, so there's 12 in there, and then I'm going to take the other one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then the last one is the Barrett's B reagent. Trash. And we're going to put in 4 drops, and then we're going to shake it for about 30 seconds. Here's the E. coli. 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to shake this for about 30 seconds. Okay. Same with this one. 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake for about 30 seconds. Alright, that should be 30 seconds. So now what I'm going to do is let those sit for 30 minutes, and I will come back and finish the rest of the experiment.